Hi, my name is Becky. I'm a clinical hygienist and a coach for dental hygiene excellence. My daughters both had their wisdom teeth out back in the summer, and the oral surgeon wrote us a prescription for chlorhexidine. Being the hygienist, that I am, I kindly told him that I would not be filling that prescription, that I had a better option that I was going to use for my daughters, which was the StellaLife rinse and the gel. And so when we went back in for our post-op, he, I think, must have forgotten, what I was doing. And when he looked at my first daughter, he said, "Wow, this tissue, I've never seen tissue heal quite this quickly in a short amount of time. You must have great genes." And then when he went in to look at my younger daughter, and she had much more extensive surgery, he said, okay, so what is the story here? Because great genes are one thing, but tissue healing like this is just amazing. What are you using? And I said, well, here's my research that I have for you. Here is the care package. It is StellaLife. And one of their key components of creating this was to sort of combat or prevent the opioid addiction. And he got tears in his eyes because he said, I just buried my nephew. So he was very excited about it, about not only that aspect of it, but how much healing that it did provide for my daughters and the soothing comfort. So they didn't even have to take any of the opioids.